Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. In this video, we are going to see how we can add keep reading on Tumblr post. It's pretty easy and fun, so let's get started. First, once you're in the Tumblr dashboard, on the left hand side, at the bottom of left hand side, you can create by clicking on this create button. Now select text. Now in this new pop-up, you can add title. In the body of the post, you can add some text again. To add keep reading, you need at least 2 lines like this. If you want to add keep reading after this hello there, you need to click enter after the there. Now select the option that is at the very last, add read more link. So click on it, it gives us this keep reading. Now if you post, you can see how it's gonna look like in the actual post. To see the post, we need to go to our blog. There you have it, keep reading, and if you click on it, you can see the rest of the text. I hope that was both fun and helpful. For future updates like this, do subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.